Alright, so today I did not trade it. Fuck. Whatever. Alright, so today. God damn it, bro. Hold on. Alright. 1 second. So today, did not trade today. It's just a random swing trade and stuff. We can look at NQ though. Okay, the daily. Okay, looks like we were kind of downtrend today. For the 1 hour, I would have marked the fucking. Was this today? Friday? What time is it? It's 8. The market close. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Never mind, I'm retarded. Okay. Yeah. We have that fair value gap. I did not trade today. Oh, we still have to go over yesterday's trade. Let's go over yesterday's trade. Okay. I did trade yesterday, actually. Going on 35. Okay, so trying to remember what trade I took. Fuck. 950. Let me go back down to 1 minute. I keep fucking forgetting. It's weird because TradingView really like cucked me on this trade. I remember. So I was trying so long just to get it to go. And it wouldn't, bro. Oh, yeah, I think it was right here. Oh, I gotta mark out the 8 a.m. candle. Forgot about that. That's what I did. I remember I used the 8 a.m. candle. Thursday. 8 a.m. You motherfucker. Right here. 3, 5, 8. Okay. Right there. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah, it was this trade right here. Yes. Yes! I remember it. Okay. And I went on the 5 minute. Yes, I remember. Okay. Because I remember I like this trade a lot. I went on the 5 minute here. And I marked out the middle. And I saw that literally like just tapped into it. And then I said big candle up. But there was also like an inverse fair value gap, I remember, on the 5 minute. That it hit. Where the fuck did I go in on this trade? It would have been here, right? Where was it? Here, let me mark this out on. That's the long position. It got in right, like here. I got in like right around here. Yeah. Right there. And I went to like here. Yes, I remember this now. Okay, let's go to the 5. See what it. Yeah. 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 Okay. This inverse. And I marked this out. Wait. No, I didn't. There was no inverse. Wait, what the fuck did I go off of again? Motherfucker. Dude, I literally saw PBR Trading do the same trade. Literally right after, like, an hour after I hit this. Or something. It was later in the day. And I was like, yes. I'm getting better. But yeah, I mean... Motherfucker. Where was this shit at, bro? Oh my god, buddy. Oh my god, yes. Okay, I remember. I had my stop loss up here. Or my take profit up here. And it hit yet. Bang! Okay, now I get it. Okay. This is exactly the trade I took. I don't remember where I got in. But I remember I saw this. And then it shoot right up. And I was like, yeah, it's the middle, and it's a 15-minute candle. I'm waiting for it to go back up, and it hit it, and I was so fucking happy. But TradingView said I took the trade, and it started giving me, like, you know how it shows, like, you're up $300 or something, and it said I was, like, up $300, and then it, like, suddenly exited out of the trade. It didn't even exit out when I hit this, so I was like, what the fuck, is it just loading? And I was reloading, and as I was reloading, a couple minutes went by, and I had to, like, sell down here, and it still gave me the profits, but for some reason it entered me in another trade when it hit back to my place that I originally bought in. So I don't think the trade ever registered. It was the weirdest shit ever. But yeah, but then you could have just hopped in a trade right here. Liquidity sweep, bit in volume down. I mean, price fair value here, bro. It's gonna hit that shit, bro. Mark down here, did it ever hit it? Yeah, it did. Shit, bro. Crazy. But yeah, I hit this trade right here. Marked out the 15-minute. Bang. Order block too. I forgot what I saw on the 5-minute. I forgot why I did what I did on the 5-minute. I know I didn't enter in here because this... Okay, that was the trade I took. It went out perfectly. Exactly how I wanted it to. It barely worked out, actually. Personally hit up there, bro. Like, fuck. I'm actually so mad. Yeah. I might have marked out this fair value gap, and I got it, like, around here. And I hit it, I was like, there. I don't know if it was that tight of a stop. That's not a good looking trade though. I didn't do that shit. I think it was I just went in off of this 15-minute. And it looked something like this. I mean it hit, so happy about that. Yeah. That's about it. That was a trade for that day. Let's look at today. 15. Yeah, sometimes these I don't always see the 15-minute work. Sometimes I see it work. So that makes me a little angry sometimes because I'm like, what the fuck? Like, everyone really swears by this shit, and then it just doesn't fucking work. Like, yeah, it doesn't look like it fucking worked here. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, let's look at the 5. Literally nothing fucking happened, bro. We just had straight market down. It's kind of a shitty day to trade. Nothing is happening. It's just straight down. Maybe that's big news or something. I don't know if that would affect futures or not, though. Poor people who went off this inverse, bro. Fuck. Yeah. So, alright, let me see this right here. There's a fair value gap I can look at. 50. Value gap. Value gap. And then when it throws a new one, you bring it down for value gap. Down, tapped into it, boom. Tapped into it, boom. It's not a bad trade. Holy shit. That's nice. Yeah, I mean, that's, you could have just taken that trade right there. Yeah. That looks good. Yeah, that doesn't look that bad. Put it. So get the short position here. Fair value gap, break a structure. And close it below. There, stop loss. There, it's a little tight. Or I think people start to set it up here. I don't know how to set on the fair value. Is it setting before or above the? I think you set it above the fair value, just above. The other one you said, yeah, yeah. I don't know if I would have got it that good of an entry. That's a fucking insane entry, but that looks like what it was for today. 50-minute candle didn't seem to help at all. You know how this dude comes on talking about mark up the 15-minute candle, and then I wait till it comes back into the 15-minute candle, or if it, I don't know if it's consolidating in the middle of it. Shit doesn't work every day, bro. I've been trying that. Yesterday was like my first good setup of it, like where I really saw it work. But, bro, come on. Gotta have a little more. I was intrigued in trying it out, so that's why. Swing trading. I can look at the position I had. I didn't enter on it. I would have when my price alert got hit. I would have, but again, I have school and this fucking blows, so I'm kind of just seeing, and I'm taking an entry in it. Venture Global. This is the one that I really fucking missed out on. God damn it. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Shit pisses me off. Circle internet, not really doing anything. You are, oh yeah. Okay. Where is the trend line? Volume is definitely dying. You might want to set a price alert on that. Yeah. You might want to set a price alert on that. Price alert, but it's the weekend, so we can set one now though. Uh, 68.24. Like that. There we go. Keep looking. Okay. Okay, this is the other. Okay, the Poet. Yes, this is the one I had a price alert on, but you know we're tracking my position right now. This is what would have been my position when I had the breakout candle. Would have got in right there. If you go down on the 5-minute. Look down on 5-minute. Got in. Tuesday. When it started breaking out. When did it start to break out? Here. Would have got in right there. Yep. So it's starting to break out. Right there. Entering right there. Boom. And now it's just going up, and now it's kind of flattening out. But we'll see what it does from there. Looks like it's kind of pushed down. I know this is 5x, so I'm hoping that we could get to that. That'd be nice. Vicar, Visor, no. Nova didn't want to push up. Side ones. Side ones. Side one. No. Yeah, okay. Big Bear. Volume's dying. We didn't really have a big move. I mean, no, not really. Maybe. I don't know. That's one that I'm kind of like iffy on. That's, yeah. Bank of America move up, but then it kind of just plummeted. So I was looking at some of the Bank of America buys, bro. Absolutely insane. How much volume, bro? Holy shit, 161.7 million shares. Fucking insane. Alright, that's probably it for today. I did, went over the trade review, the recap. Looking good. And I'm thinking March, or maybe February, is when I apply for funded. And I start making money. I think that's a good idea. I know I said next year, but I don't know. I'm definitely not ready now, but I've seen a lot of improvement, and I'm pretty confident. Especially with all this full porting CPI shit, you can pass it in like a day or something. It's fucking insane. So, we'll see how it goes, and I will let y'all know. Thanks. Peace. Have a good weekend.